Hey guys, it's Sydney and I look like ass. Welcome to another vlog. So I'm not really sure what this vlog is going to be composed of. Words are hard. So we're just gonna roll with the punches, keep on watching. I'm sure something will happen or else this wouldn't be uploaded. Yeah. But in recent news, I look like absolute garbage. So I'm gonna do my little skincare routine. No, actually, I think I might tan first. You know, burn my body a little bit. Now I'm going to shower because I'm disgusting. So with that, yeah, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I swear I'm not stinky, smelly, and gross on there. Just on YouTube. This is where the realness is. This is the real me. Okay, I'm gonna shower now. So I just got out of the shower. I'm gonna use my Vanity Planet Spin for Perfect Skin body brush face thing. This video isn't like sponsored by them, but I do have a coupon code for you guys to use if you want to grab this thing. Look at it. Look at it. I got these two goodies from Romway in the mail, so I think I'm gonna try them out. Try them on right now and see what I think. This is a denim skirt and these are pants. Black stripe pumps. This is a medium. I think this is a small. Here is the skirt. It fits nice. It's a nice length. It's got this like fishnet detail. Yeah, but I just will really need to wear a belt with it. Like, I don't know how to wear it on my hips. Like, should it be like high-waisted or like right here? But I mean, regardless, I'm gonna have to wear a belt. But this is super cute. I'm excited to rock this. These pants are so freaking cute. So the band is like no elastic right here, but then the elastic's like all right there, as you guys can see it like kind of scrunched too. And it like hugs the booty real nice, and it's got pockets. It's kind of itchy on my legs, and I'm not sure if that's because I just shaved my legs or what, but I think I might wash them and see if they like soften up a little bit. But I'm excited about these. I can dress these up, I can dress them down, I can play around. Love them. The links for these two pieces will be down below as per usual.
We're here in wonderful Arizona with sparkling ice. It's a great day for having a barbecue with kids or going to a playground and just watching kids play.
You guys asked me what I do for my job, and this is it.
Okay, I was not ready to be on camera. That was really weird for everyone.
Weird for everyone. Wait, oh, this is pretty. We're at a 5K sampling sparkling ice.
Never give up, kids.
Never give up.
If you do, you might regret it.
Yeah.
I'm a motivational speaker.
Yeah. Email him for more info and bookings.
I don't have an email, but fax me.
Fax him.
Yep.
Fax him.
Looking good. Watch out.
We'll go this. Oh. Oh.
I've been to a lot of Jewish weddings. I could do anything.
You too. Oh, shoot, shoot. Keep going, keep going. Imagine if people looking at this. As if nothing really matters.
I'm a fat old man.
My nose is so red.
You look like a little girl.
Working all the time. Goodbye, everybody. I've got to go. Mama!
guys. Okay, so that was just me at work. It's now like 10:45-ish. So yeah, I was working at like 6:30 in the morning, and that's why Ian and I were a lot delusional. And yeah, so I'm starving. So my friend Jenny is going, you guys know Jenny if you watch my videos. I'm gonna third wheel it with her and her boyfriend, and we're gonna get breakfast.
Hey, what's up? If you like this hickey trick, like and subscribe down below. New tutorial, how to cure your hickeys.
My roommates are going to a pool party, and I'm not, because I'm lame.
That's true.
Chomping down. I just got back to my apartment from brunch, and I'm gonna take a nap. That's why it's so dark in here, because I got up at 5:45 in the morning today, and I'm delusional, as you could tell by the videos leading up to this clip. So yeah, now I'm going to my second job, and I woke up from my nap like literally in that like REM sleep cycle, and so I'm struggling right now. So I think I'm gonna get coffee before I go to work, because I am struggling.
I was gonna be all like artsy and cutesy and like record me getting my order at Starbucks like I try to do sometimes, but then I forgot. But like, y'all know I always get the venti vanilla iced coffee with coconut milk. That shit is dank. Yeah, so that's what I got. Yep. I just saw a Tesla. Can't relate. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello vlog, it's Sid. Turn on notifications, like and subscribe before the video starts. I know the drill. I know the drill.
True fan, true fan.
Number one subscriber. Every vid, you did. Yeah. Yeah.
I look intoxicated, but I've really just been up since 5:40 in the morning. Everyone else is intoxicated though, and I'm just sitting here eating Jack in the Box. I went to the mall to do a project for one of my fashion classes and ended up spending almost $100 that I don't have. Why do I do the things I do? I'm not really sure. But I mean, some of the things I actually needed, like I needed new like bralettes, and I needed a couple new like comfy sports bras. So like that's justified, but some of those other things, not really. I'm wearing the same clothes as I was yesterday because I slept over at Austin's house last night. So yeah, I'm a hot mess. This is my life. Welcome to it. I don't know, I kind of like where this vlog is going because it shows the real me. I mean, not that I ever put like up a fake facade in front of you guys, but this vlog just shows a little bit more of me than I normally put out there, like me being a complete and utter weirdo with my friends and whatnot. So yeah, this is just a really weird vlog. I hope you guys like it. I think I'm gonna start doing this more with my vlogs. It's just being like completely, utterly like me, no filter kind of thing, because I'm so sick, and I'm sure you guys are so sick of the always picture perfect vlogs, when vlogs are supposed to be your natural everyday life. And so I'm sick of that, and I'm gonna do less of that in my vlogs. So there's a little mini rant. Yeah, I'm starving. It's 12:30. I'm refraining from getting Taco Bell because I just spent so much money. So I'm just gonna eat the food that I have left at home, which is probably just a box of mac and cheese.
Eating the entire box of mac and cheese to myself. Yep. But I'm gonna do some homework and eat the rest of this mac and cheese, and then I have to go to work. I'm trying to do homework, but like Grey's Anatomy is just really distracting.
Hey guys, it's another day, part of the vlog. Another day of the vlog. Yeah. So this vlog has just been all over the freaking place and back. And I just got done working out, you know, getting back in my grind. Cabo's coming up soon, you know, spring break, trying to get back at it. I stopped driving so I don't die. But today I am just, yeah, I worked out and I gotta do some stuff for work. And then I have class very late at night. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap the vlog up here. It's just been a really weird vlog. If you've made it to the end, comment like, Mama, I made it. Yeah, let's make that a thing. Comment, Mama, I made it, if you made it to the end of this vlog, because it was so all over the place that really, I congratulate you. And I am going to try to post one vlog a month. So this will have been my vlog for February. I'll have one for March. Yeah, I'm really trying at getting my channel back on its feet. I feel like it struggled a little bit at the end of this past year, and I'm trying. Okay, so that's it for the vlog. New videos every Wednesday. Subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. Yeah, all that stuff. I love you guys. Bye.